In the dynamic world of project management, staying informed and having a bird's-eye view of progress is paramount. Whether you're a seasoned project leader or just starting your journey, the ability to quickly grasp key metrics and identify potential roadblocks can be a game-changer. This is where dashboards come into play, acting as your central command center for all things project-related. If you're exploring project management tools, you've likely come across Wrike, a popular platform known for its robust features and collaborative environment. A common question that arises for those considering or currently using Wrike is, does Wrike have dashboards? The straightforward answer is a resounding yes. Wrike offers powerful and customizable dashboard functionalities designed to provide real-time visibility into your projects, team performance, and overall progress. However, simply stating that dashboards exist doesn't truly capture their potential and how they can revolutionize your project management workflow. Let's delve deeper into Wrike's dashboard capabilities and explore how you can leverage them effectively. Understanding the power of project management dashboards. Before we focus specifically on Wrike, it's crucial to understand the fundamental value of project management dashboards in general. Think of a car's dashboard. It provides you with essential information at a glance: your speed, fuel level, engine temperature, and more. This allows you to make informed decisions while driving. Similarly, a project management dashboard offers a consolidated view of critical project data, enabling you to track progress, monitor the completion status of tasks, milestones, and the overall project, identify bottlenecks, quickly spot tasks that are behind schedule or resources that are overutilized, manage resources, gain insights into team workload and allocate resources effectively, analyze performance, evaluate individual and team performance against set targets, communicate effectively, share progress updates with stakeholders in a clear and concise visual format, make data-driven decisions, base your actions on real-time data rather than assumptions. Wrike's approach to dashboards, customization, and clarity. Wrike understands that every project and every team has unique needs. That's why their dashboard functionality is built with flexibility and customization at its core. You're not limited to a one-size-fits-all view. Instead, Wrike empowers you to create dashboards tailored to your specific requirements. Here's a closer look at what makes Wrike's dashboards stand out. Widget-based system. Wrike utilizes a widget-based system, allowing you to populate your dashboards with various visual components that display specific data points. These widgets can be easily added, removed, and rearranged to create your ideal layout. Diverse widget options. Wrike offers a wide array of widget types to cater to different information needs. Some popular options include task lists, displaying tasks based on status, assignee, due date, or priority. Project progress, visualizing the completion percentage of projects. Gantt charts, providing a timeline view of tasks and dependencies. Burn-down charts, tracking the amount of work remaining against time. Resource workload, showing team member capacity and task assignments. Custom reports, displaying data from reports you've created within Wrike. Number counters, highlighting key metrics like overdue tasks or completed milestones. Real-time data, the information displayed on Wrike dashboards is updated in real time, ensuring you always have the latest insights at your fingertips. This eliminates the need for manual data aggregation and provides an accurate snapshot of the current situation. Personal and shared dashboards. Wrike allows you to create both personal dashboards for your own use and shared dashboards that can be viewed by your team members and stakeholders. This facilitates transparency and ensures everyone is on the same page. Easy configuration. Setting up and customizing Wrike dashboards is designed to be user-friendly. The intuitive interface allows you to select the widgets you need, configure their settings, and arrange them in a way that makes sense for your workflow. You don't need to be a data analyst to create insightful dashboards. Filtering and sorting. Within many widgets, you can further refine the displayed information using filters and sorting options. For example, you can filter a task list to show only overdue tasks assigned to a specific team member.